Man, what he say? It's your boy Chef Bess, Chef Bess, coming at my folks. Another episode of Bessie's TV. Sure, cause I got my gear on. I got a private catering I gotta go attend to. But what I did was I came home for some few touches because I had a private guest heard about my roasted Brussels sprouts. So I'm not finna talk too long. Guess what? I'm going straight at the lab. I appreciate y'all for loving Bessie's, liking, and subscribing. And guess what? I'm back. Here we go. Come on, here we go. So, right now, we got these Brussels sprouts right here, right? So the best way I do it, you gotta do them from frozen. It cannot be fresh because you're not gonna get the beans, the blend, and everything like that, okay? So now, what we're gonna do is, we got 1 cup of virgin olive oil, okay? Okay. Only half of that cup. Only half of that cup. Right? Cool. So, I'm gonna massage these real good. Touching them real good. Make sure every Brussels sprout touches this virgin olive oil, okay? Even if you gotta take 1 or 2 up and play with them, that's what you do. Okay? So now, what I'm gonna do is, I got the rest of the half, I'm adding to some fresh ranch powder. Okay? Here we go. So, I'm not gonna play with it. You see me? It's a hands-on sprinkle. So, making this paste. Okay? See that? It's a paste. So, here we go. Here we go. We're gonna massage this in real well. You know, back in growing up, you know, we was afraid of Brussels sprouts. We know they look like little baby cabbage. They don't know that this is a very important part of your A and D vitamin scale. Okay? Massaging it real well. Okay? So while this is massaged real good, I'm coming here with a few sprinkles of my red onions, okay? Gotta have my red onions. Gotta have my red onions. I'm telling you, good folks, massage. Massage it up real good. Shouts out to all my folks, right? So now it's massaged in real good. What we're doing ranch and crusted, roasted Brussels sprouts, all right? All right, you want to make sure everything is being touched by every little thing, right? A few more onions. Let it mix on in there real good. This is going to be a beautiful dish when I get through with it, okay, ladies and gentlemen? Like I say, I don't have that much time. So, you know, I was sent home because I got a special request. So I got to make sure this happens good, okay? So we're going to finish up the rest of this in. Okay. Right. So, babe, what I need you to do for me, reach up in the counter and get that non-stick spray from me. And hit that pan over there for me, please. Here we go. So we're gonna take these right here. It's gonna be beautiful, y'all. Check me out. What you gotta make sure you do is everything gotta be level. Okay? Everything gotta be level. Okay. So, here we go. This is Chef Bess. This is roasted ranch Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna talk about what I'm using. What I'm using is Copper Chef pan. Copper Chef pans, you're gonna have all the induction and it'll give me all the heat that I need. We're going to do this at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Believe me, when it come out, I'm saying, God damn, man, this man just keep doing what he's doing. Don't get me wrong, I appreciate y'all good folks. I'm only showing love because we all love. It's Bessie's TV. Going to the lab. Liking, subscribing, and keeping Bessie's alive, all right? But I need for y'all folks to come on, tap in. I know I've been out to see you for a minute, but you know, you gotta do things to make things happen. So here we go. I'm telling y'all what we're doing today. We're doing roasted Brussels sprouts, but we're adding a ranch flavor to it. With a little ranch feeling. You know, you go to the store, you get ranch dressing, this and that. But I got dried ranch powder. I did my flavor to it. You saw what I did, right? So I want y'all to try this at home. Mindful. You want your kids to try each other healthy. Brussels sprouts out. The baby cabbage, right? But it's something about that taste. So I'm bringing to you a whole other different flair of what you can do to make sure that your family has it. Throughout the week, I got you a good meal. All right, here we go. Ranch roasted Brussels sprouts. Okay, so what we're gonna do is now I'm gonna plate these. I'm gonna plate these with I'm gonna say a Greek salad. Black olives and red bell peppers. So when you get back, I'm gonna have it already plated, and I got my. Okay, so you see what we got. So right here, we have a Greek salad with the vinaigrette. We have our roasted ranch Brussels sprouts. This jalapeno pepper right here is part of the ingredients to the salad. That's why I got it sitting here. It's just for the ambiance. It's just for the plating. Okay? So now, what we are going to do, like I said, the seasoning, the ranch, you taste it.
You can taste the ranch.
It's not overwhelming.
No. Like I said, it's crispy on the outside. So should I eat a little salad with this?
You need to.
It's good.
It's good. Okay. So what we do.
I like it.
Like it? All right. Hey, y'all. This is Bessie's TV. I'm Chef Bess. This is my producer. Say roasted. Roasted from the top. Roasted on the bottom. It's a beautiful thing. Listen, you got the holidays coming up. It should be a beautiful dish for you and your family to put on the table. T-Best way. Okay, so guys, you already seen what it is. Some of the little snippet of the good thing that's going on at Bessie's, right? Hey, I got to get out of here. I got to go. But listen, I want to thank you. You never seen this before, right? I'm going to show you how it's going to be done on our next episode, A King New York Strip. I'm going to bring it to y'all guys in my next episode. I'm Chef Bess. This is Bessie's TV. I'm just loving life. Take it easy.